13. Consider two complex number z1 is equal to 1 minus I and z2 is equal to I. We define z a complex number as x plus iy. So, let us call z1 is equal to x1 plus I y1 and that of course is equal to 1 minus I, which means that x1 is equal to 1 and of course y1 is equal to minus 1. Similarly, we have x2 z2 is equal to x2 plus I y2 and that of course is equal to I only. Therefore, x2 is equal to 0 and y2 is equal to 1. So, the product of two complex numbers z1 and z2 is defined as this one. So, we have to do x1 x2 minus y1 y2 and x1 y2 plus. So, basically if you do these calculations so basically x1 x2 y1 y2 right here, this calculation, you will find that z1 z2 is equal to 1 plus I. The detailed calculation is shown below. Of course, this can be done very easily. 1 plus you have z1 z2 that will be equal to 1 minus I times I and that of course I minus I square and that of course equal to I minus of minus 1 which is equal to 1 plus I. So, we get the same answer. Next, the argument of a complex number is defined as tan theta is equal to y over x. So, the argument is theta is equal to of course tan inverse y over x. So, we have to find out the argument of z1 z2. Let us call this one as x plus iy. So, here of course x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. So, this is equal to tan inverse 1 over 1 which is equal to pi over 4. So, B is the correct option.